Hello everybody, here for your next math lesson, and we are going to be doing from Unit 7, Lesson 7. Going to read our goal. You can read it with me at I Can Build. Ready? I can build, draw, name, describe, sort, and classify polygons by their characteristics. Just to let you know, I did go make sure before I did the lesson to X out and get rid of all of my practice stuff. So don't worry everybody. You don't have to watch me do that again. But I'm going to talk about our goal here. So a few things, probably, classify, meaning groups, putting shapes into groups based on their characteristics. So sides, vertices, angles, lengths. I'm not going to talk much about these before we get going here. Well, no, never mind. Rewind that back. Yes, I am. I'm going to draw a concave shape again. And I'm going to count my sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So there's 5 sides. Let's count the vertices next. Remember, a vertex is a corner where 2 lines meet to form a point. When you have 2 or more, then you call them vertices. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So we have 5 vertices. And then we count the angles. Angles are measuring, basically it's a measurement of one line and how far it opens to get to the next line. So it's that distance between 2 lines. That's 1 angle. 2 angles, because you go from like this line to this line, see it's really big. 3, 4, 5 angles. Okay, well, if it has 5 sides, 5 vertices, 5 angles, then it is go ahead and say it. I can't hear you, but say it. It is a pentagon. Remember that the prefix pent means 5. Okay, so that's how you classify polygons. That's how you group them based on their characteristics. Remember, the word polygon means many-sided shape. This is a question we are going to be talking about at the end of the lesson. It's going to be on a quiz that you are going to be doing for today. So for math, you're going to have a couple different parts. This math lesson you're going to see might go a little bit quicker, but that's okay because then you are going to have this Unit 7, Lesson 7, or 7.7 formative assessment. So you're going to see for math today, you're going to have just one extra task, a little bit more than normal. But this is just one of the questions that are on that quiz today, and I just want to spend some time talking about it just to help you for that quiz. But the question is, all squares are rectangles, true or false? Explain your thinking. So by the time when we come back to the lesson, I just really want you to think about, is every single square a rectangle? Okay. So for the pages we're going to be doing today, it's page 467, page 468, 469, 470. You can do the, kind of like I've been saying, you can do this any way that you want to. You can watch all of my videos straight through, then do all the sheets after you're done, or you can watch a video, then do a sheet. Watch a video, do a sheet. My recommendation, what I would do in my opinion, is I would watch one video and do that sheet. Watch the next video, do that sheet. So I would start by watching this video for page 467, do that sheet, and then submit it, and then do the whole next one. But I want you to choose what's going to be best for you. But for each of these, you're going to see for each of these pages, and for this first one, we are going to be drawing parallelograms. And what we need to do is we need to write what we know about the opposite sides of a parallelogram. Well, we know opposite sides are parallel. If you remember, a parallelogram has 2 pairs of parallel lines. So you can pause the video here if you need to. I want you to record these notes on your own page. And then down below, you're going to draw 3 different parallelograms. as long as it has two pairs of parallel lines, it works. So I'm going to just, now you can use the grids, like this grid paper to kind of help, or you can just try to freehand draw it yourself. But a rectangle, parallelogram, because top and bottom are parallel, one pair, and the left side and the right side are parallel. That works. I could draw a square. I could draw a rectangle that goes up and down. I could draw a rhombus. Not quite a rhombus. More of just a regular parallelogram. There we go. Remember, a rhombus is like a square, 4 equal sides. Or I could do it more like this, because the top and the bottom are parallel, left side and right side are parallel. Just need to draw 3 of them. When you're done with this page, submit it to Schoology.